Price Manufacturing is revolutionizing the mechanical insulation industry. The industry is definitely changing over the last couple of years. How you have to order, how many people you have on the job site, you have to find a new way to do business. You have to have a better way. It's something that has never been created before in this industry. So essentially the process is you go in, you basically put all of your information in and it prompts you all the way through. You then get your quote along with a 3D preview and then off to the production and shipping it goes. It's very easy. This brings unlimited products to the mechanical insulation world. So you get a bigger market share, your bottom line increases because of it. It can handle the nuclear, the heavy industrial, the light industrial, commercial, and marine. Any mechanical insulation that anybody can possibly imagine.
This basically has digitized 42 years of my trade knowledge, which deals with energy calculations, estimation of a part to a project, part generation, part creation. It's fully automated. It's intuitive. It instantaneously produces every parametric regarding this industry or a job site, from one part to an entire project. They'll be able to create a specification sheet and a takeoff list, and it automatically generates every single parametric, right down to all the saw cut angles and dimensions for cutting the insulation for whatever fittings or components that you have to insulate. It saves repetitive labor, which is problematic in that every time it changes to another set of hands or eyes, you run the risk of errors and omissions, deletions, duplications. It streamlines all of that. Instantaneous results, instantaneous quotes. A company doing $1 billion a year doesn't need a team of 100 estimators in 100 different shops. It also prices out the entire system, whether it's one part or a $20 billion project. You don't have to wait 3 weeks for a bid to come back. This doesn't require any drawing whatsoever. It produces everything and anything you would ever need for a mechanical insulation project. We also have the ability to send these files anywhere in the globe, to send the takeoffs to anywhere in the globe, to source from anywhere in the globe, to supply anywhere in the globe.
I love this project because it's never been done before. And I see how much has been put into it, how much time it took, and how it's going to help so many others.
Price Manufacturing is the future. We're setting the bar.